Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Skydio 2. But before we get into the video, I want to tell you guys about TubeBuddy. If you're growing a YouTube channel here, you definitely want a good SEO tool like TubeBuddy to help you out. If you click my link in the description below, you can download it for free and try it out. And if you like it, they have paid packages with all different types of perks and tools that are going to help you grow your YouTube channel. So definitely check that out. But let's talk about the Skydio 2. So the Skydio 2 is a drone that I don't own. I've never flown in my life, and I've only ever flown DJI drones. But here's why. DJI has been the go-to company for drone technology, for consumer drone technology. You can get a really decent drone with great quality, and it just works really well. They've been ahead for a very long time. And honestly, I just love DJI. I'm just being honest. I know so many people don't like DJI. The thing is they're just a company. I know people don't like where they operate and who they operate under. Obviously, the Chinese government, but that is a whole other topic. I'm just talking about the Skydio 2 in this video. So the Skydio 2 is a really interesting drone because it has the potential, from what I see, to outshine DJI, especially in the area of autonomous flight. So before the Skydio 2, I didn't even really know who they were. I knew that there was a Skydio drone, but I didn't really care about it. But when the Skydio 2 came out, that's when this company really caught my attention, because I saw the videos from people like Billy Kyle and other people on the internet that were just creating like really crazy stuff with this drone. Like, this drone had unbelievable tracking capabilities, and it's honestly just amazing to see what it can do. So here in this Drone XL article, where is it? Right here. Skydio 2 crazy wind test, drone tracking over 65 miles an hour. If I play some of this video, I'll show you guys some clips from it if my internet loads. I'm gonna put the link to this video in the description, but this is just to like show you guys, you know, especially if you've never seen this drone before, what it can do. So basically, on the left is the app that syncs up with your phone. As you can see, it's showing him on the bike, and in the bigger screen to the right, that's like the video that he got off the SD card, I assume. But you can see that he's actually got his phone on the bike, and he's changing the position of where the drone is tracking him from in real time. As you can see, there's a forward, left, right, and back. If you hit those, it'll change where the drone is. So this is like really crazy technology. And if you want to see his whole video where, you know, like it says, he's flying in high winds, you know, by the ocean there, definitely check that out. You will be amazed by what this drone can do. The question is will I ever get one? Probably, but I can't say for certain. And here's why. Because what I do with drones doesn't really have to do with tracking. I use drones for like cinematic video, so I don't really need a drone that is excellent at tracking. I need a drone that's excellent at video and taking photos. This drone definitely is. It shoots 4K, but it's not better, in my opinion, than like the DJI Mavic 2 with the Hasselblad camera. That's just being straight up. So until, you know, the Skydio offers something more for photography and video. Now, here's the thing. I may sound like a complete fool right now because on their website, which I had loaded up but disappeared, the internet's horrible out here. I'm standing outside though because there's stuff going on inside my house, so it's a little quieter. But they've got this new drone now called the X2D, and honestly, I know nothing about it, but there it is. And then as you can see to the right, the Skydio 2, which, you know, I know a little bit about. Look at how weird the propeller is. Like, whoops, I guess something happened to my screen. It's so weird. Like, the internet's just really bad outside, to be honest. Yeah, so I tried to reload it, guys, but it's just not working. I'll leave a link to Skydio's website in the description below. If you've never heard of their products and you want to check them out, definitely go on their website, check out what they got as far as drones in that Skydio 2. It's really cool. I believe it's $1,000. I would be able to tell you for sure if my computer was loading, but that's just like my brief overview of the Skydio 2 drone. I am excited to see one someday, maybe even get my hands on one and buy one in the future if I have the extra cash. But like I said, right now, I just don't need it. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos. And that is all for this one. I'm out.